Hi, this is Jeff from Method. If you've got a new computer and you need to move QuickBooks Desktop over, don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, make sure that you have your QuickBooks license and product numbers handy. These are essential for reinstalling QuickBooks on your new machine. If you can't find them, just open QuickBooks on your current computer, press F2 or Ctrl+1, and a window will pop up with all the details you need. Next, download the QuickBooks Desktop installer onto your new computer. You can find it on the Downloads and Updates page on Intuit's website. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation instructions. Note that QuickBooks Desktop for Windows and QuickBooks Desktop for Mac are distinct products with separate licenses. You cannot directly install a Mac version on Windows or vice versa without additional third-party tools. Enter your license and product numbers when prompted, and choose the installation type. Most people go with Express for a straightforward setup. Once you're done, click Install, and QuickBooks will be ready to use. After installation, remember to register QuickBooks with your license number, product number, phone number, and zip code. Now, let's move your data. On your old computer, open QuickBooks and create a backup of your company file. Go to File, select Backup Company, then Create Local Backup, and save the backup file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. From there, transfer the file to a USB drive, an external hard drive, or use your network if both computers are connected. On your new computer, open QuickBooks, go to File, and select Open or Restore Company. Choose Restore a Backup Copy, then Local Backup. Navigate to where you saved your file, select it, and follow the steps to restore your company file. Once the file is restored, take a moment to verify that all your data transferred correctly. Note that some of the settings like payroll services and multi-user setups may need reconfiguration on the new system. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, you know it's packed with features, but it's physically tied to your computer. That's where Method comes in. With Method CRM, you can access your QuickBooks data online from anywhere at any time. Need to check an invoice while you're away from your desk? No problem. Want to update a customer's contact information while on the road? Done. Method keeps your QuickBooks data synced in real time, so no matter where you are, you're always working with the latest information. It's the perfect solution for staying flexible while keeping all the benefits of QuickBooks Desktop. You get the power of desktop accounting software combined with the convenience of cloud access, plus countless CRM benefits, including instant estimates and invoices, self-serve customer portals with e-signatures and integrated payments, and a comprehensive overview of all your business relationships. Ready to take your QuickBooks Desktop data online? Click the link in the description or visit method.me to start your free trial of Method CRM today. No credit card or contract required.